Yeah, swaps and stuff, rims big as monster trucks, wide harnesses, yeah, boy, we stock them up. Hit subscribe so you know you stay in the loop. Hit the bell, new videos coming soon. Yeah, swaps and stuff, rims big as monster trucks, wide harnesses, yeah, boy, we stock them up. Hit subscribe so you know you stay in the loop. Hit the bell, new videos coming soon.
What up, what up, what up, what's happening? Tino Shop at it again, man. Swaps in this thing. If you have not subscribed, go ahead and do so for me. We're going to be wiring up this, my makeshift custom dash gauge pod. The link was in the other video description of where to get these gauges, man. Big shout out to Cortez Resto Mods again. We'll flip this camera around and we'll do a look-see. Okay, so we've got B, which is battery, L, which is backlighting, dimmable, so that will hook up to like the dimmer switch. We have S, signal, so that, that's in, the signal wire coming from wherever it's going to come from. And then you have B, black, or black. You have ground, I'm sorry, and it's like that on all of them, on the rear, on all of them. And then this, of course, is going to be different. All these wires do something. Excuse me. All these wires do something. I know red's going to be my hot, and then my plan is to tie all these into one power source via relay. I'm gonna use a relay to send the power to everything, so I'm not pulling a whole bunch of ampage off one wire feeding into it, so but that's the plan there. We'll go, look at this. I'm gonna look at the directions here and we'll see what wires I'm gonna need for the bigger gauges. As you can see here, 12 volt, red, ground, green, LED, signal, blue. And like I said, there is a shift light in here. That's yellow. Yellow is going to be a shift light. I'm about to use a resistor with the shift light. B is a shift, or brown is a shift light also. Dark gray, shift. So evidently, this is all, these are shift lights for, would be for a stick shift car, I believe. Chances are I could probably wire it to say, for instance, if I want the shift light to come on at 6200 RPM. Well, the light, I wire, for instance, I would wire the dark gray wire into that specific one sensor and see what happens. But it says I have to use a 10K resistor with that wire. So I'm not sure yet which way I'm gonna go with that. But these are the gauges I am gonna go with, and having a shift light in there is pretty neat. Pretty neat. So as we get into the wiring part and we get into the how to set them up, we'll do a little bit more than that. But as of right now, I'm gonna send power to it. I'm gonna do my power and do my ground, and then I think I might use a little 12 volt battery source and see what it looks like when we come back. With a little backlighting. And we back. Don't forget to read the instructions. Yeah, man. As I was saying earlier, so I probably can hook up a shift light per the instructions. I'm not gonna worry about that just yet. I can do a standalone shift light if I need be. But we have juice. Juice. Check it out. I wired it up, a little wiring job there. What you see with the black tape will get top covered with loom. That's everything, you know. We'll do it again. See? And what you see behind there is a pump. Fuel pump. Alright, let's do it again. We got power. Power. Fuel level low. You see the odometer, RPM 0, odometer 0 for mileage. You know, there's a master reset in there for all of this, I believe. For this and this, a master reset. Put 12 volts to it, and there's a reset, recalibration. But we also have some LED shiny things, man. We can also put a little light on the situation. Bear with me here. You know, still got the low fuel light, so that's pretty cool that shows up. Let you know that you are out of gas. Chances are you already know, because the vehicle won't start or run. We got lights, and I feel like they're bright enough. You know what I mean? Let's see if we'll emulate in a dark car. Everything is visible. And the glare you're seeing, I guess, is because they're LED, said to be LED. They don't look that way looking with the naked eye. But there is lights. I don't know how much of that y'all heard, man. Sorry about that. Turn the fan off. But we have lights. I'll go through it one more time here. Go like this. Everything come on at once. I can set it up that way too. But the light, the light setup, the backdrop of the lights themselves are supposed to be in the dimmer switch. So I'll be doing some wire searching there to find out the dimmer switch for the headlight switch. You know, so they'll come on when you pull the headlights on. Bright enough, clear enough. I'm liking what I'm seeing here. I really am. Yeah, I do. It's just the glare. Like I said, I don't know if the glare is from what you're seeing is the actual LED. There you go. We're back in there, man. Lights, no lights. Alright, we're gonna key it off. Get in, key it on. No fuel, so it won't start. It's not gonna run. Says the gauge. But then we go ahead and kick some light on. You know what I mean? Appreciate y'all watching, man. Go ahead and just hit that sub for me, man. Comment, all that good stuff. Hopefully the next time we see these dudes, they will be in the Cutlass, and we will be able to watch the gauges move as they should with a run vehicle. I'm liking what I'm seeing. The link to these will be in the description. It's not a whole lot going on. It's not real hard to do. It's just following the directions, I guess. But I also like playing with, dealing with wires, man. That's my pastime. So anyway, again, man, Swaps out.